Welcome, truth seekers, light workers, star seeds, chosen ones, earth angels, spiritual warriors, healers, and galactic beauties to Epiphanies with Fanny. I invoke the light of Christ within. I am a clear and perfect channel. The light is my guide. I wanted to share some insights and reflections on the hidden symbolic messages of bird medicine. Of course, these birds are always present in nature and around us, but what we are asked to notice is any unusual behavior that these messengers might display, such as flying past you, landing on you, staring at you, blocking your path, leading your vehicle as you drive. In early April, I was gifted with a visitor at the beach. A red-winged blackbird was bathing in a puddle of rainwater on the ground, no less than 2 feet in front of me. When this bird appears before you, there is a promise of a new start, and that change is coming into your life. Their medicine offers protection, good luck, prosperity, and abundance, reminding us to get ready to burst forward into a new reality full of surprise. Be open to receive new adventures and life experiences. Also in April, I was noticing quite a few cardinals playfully flying in my area where I live. Others were sitting on branches, again very close to me, seemingly watching me for quite a long time. On one particular day, a cardinal sat on my balcony, looking directly at me through my window. They sat there for hours, it seemed, as if trying to communicate with me. A cardinal's message is one of renewed vitality through recognizing self-worth and importance of your life roles. They are a symbol of divine intervention, good luck, abundance, strength, hope, love, protection, and restoration. Their medicine reminds us to listen to our inner voice with a need to assert your creativity and intuition. Near the end of April, I noticed a few hawks up high on some trees, sitting ominously, perched on branches, hidden in the foliage, scouting for prey. Hawks symbolize visionary power and guardianship. They are the messengers, the protectors, and the visionaries of the air. They are a powerful symbol of strength and grace, with a connection to the divine. Their eyesight is extremely keen. They are powerful and dynamic birds of prey with impressive hunting ability. Many hawks mate for life. When this magnificent bird is seen near you, it is a sign that your visionary power is about to awaken, leading you to your life purpose. When it shows up, pay attention. There is a message coming. Childhood visions become empowered and fulfilled as you begin to move toward your soul purpose more dynamically. The hawk teaches how to fly to great heights while still keeping your feet on the ground. They are occasionally harassed and attacked by smaller birds. This indicates that you could be attacked by people who don't understand you and the uses of your creative energy. They may attack your ability to soar. Hawks vigorously defend their nests against any intruders, and they cling to their home territory. The hawk can spark rapid development of psychic energies, holding the keys to higher levels of consciousness. Prophecy, wisdom, and spiritual guidance. It teaches the balance necessary to discover our true purpose in life. You will be led to use your creative energy in manifesting your soul purpose. This mystical bird is the catalyst for stimulating hope and new ideas. They reflect a need to be open to the new and will show you ways that you may teach others the same. Hawk medicine teaches you to be observant and that life is sending you signals, bringing you insight, discernment, and focus. This bird is fearless, often taking on poisonous snakes. There will unfold within you the ability to symbolically tear off the heads of any enemies. The sky is the realm of the hawk, awakening our vision and inspiring us to a creative life purpose. At the beginning of May, I saw many robins cross my path, but one in particular was on the road facing me while I was driving in my car. He refused to move or fly away, so I slowed down to a stop and stared at the bird for a while until I was forced to drive around it. Robins symbolize the spread of new growth in many areas of your life. The song of the robin is to establish its territory. The message here is the need to sing your own song in order to have successful new growth in your life. The robin reflects the activation of the creative life force, representing renewal, new beginnings, and a transformation of life. In the middle of May, I saw a dove sipping water from a little stream in a children's splash area in a park. She peacefully quenched her thirst in spite of all the activity around her. Doves symbolize the feminine energy of peace and prophecy, hope and unity, serenity and calm. The spiritual medicine of a dove encourages a heart that is free from turmoil. The dove's song tells you to mourn what is past, but awaken to the promise of the future. Its mournful tones stir the emotions, the internal waters. Its medicine teaches you to let go of the past to see what you can give birth to in your life. At the end of May, I was blessed to witness a tiny hummingbird about a foot away from me, again on my balcony. She came to check out a bright pink flower. When a hummingbird appears, it is a sign that challenging times are over and healing can begin. They offer hope and the promise of good luck. They represent tireless joy and the sweet nectar of life. Hummingbirds remind us to find joy in what we do and to sing it out into the world. Their wings have the ability to move in a figure-8 pattern, which is a symbol for infinity, linking to the past and the future. Hummingbirds cannot live without flowers, and many flowers cannot live without pollination by hummingbirds. They teach us the mysteries of cause and effect so that you can extract your own nectar and create your own medicines. They are very playful and fiercely independent. They like to be alone and free, except when mating. They are master architects and build their homes with great care and design. Some hummingbirds will fly for days and days to get to a warm climate, for example, from Alaska to Central America. They are a symbol for accomplishing that which seems impossible. Their medicine will teach you how to find the miracle of joyful living from your own life circumstances. I hope this message brought you some insight, clarity, healing, and peace. Until we meet again, one love, peace.